Leader Creek Ranch 370 acres is a peaceful and quiet place to be, located at the end of a dead-end road, making county traffic rare. Just 20 miles from Ada, and 1 hour and 45 minutes to Oklahoma City, and 2 hours to the Dallas Metroplex. This ranch has the Leader Creek running through the property year-round. There is a solid metal bridge that makes going across the creek a breeze. With 6 ponds and the creek, this ranch has plenty of water. There are large pecan and oak trees with just enough timber for excellent hunting. There is a new net wire fencing around approximately 75% of the property. The other 25% is fenced with a 5-strand barbed wire, cross-fenced into 7 pastures. The current owner is running 500 heads of sheep, or you could run approximately 100 cow-calf pairs. This ranch has an excellent blend of warm and cool season grasses consisting of common Bermuda, Midland Bermuda, Dallas grass, bahia, and several varieties of clovers. The cool season grasses are predominantly ryegrass and some fescue. The steel pipe corrals are definitely adequate to work all the livestock that the property will carry, and a 36 by 100 foot metal barn being used to store feed and supplies. There's a metal shop that has a comfortable living quarters with 1 bedroom, a full bath, and laundry hookups, and an open kitchen living area. This would make a suitable place to live while you are building your dream home. Call today to view.